Should you buy YouTube subscribers or not? Should you buy YouTube views or not? Personally, I think buying YouTube subscribers or views is one of the most useless things you can ever do out there, because it's gonna be futile in the midterm and long term. If you truly want to build a long YouTube career, if you truly want to build a sustainable business on YouTube, then shy away from any attempts to buy audiences out there, to buy subscribers. Why am I saying so? It's because YouTube algorithm doesn't really care about subscribers. In essence, it cares about how audiences are responding to your videos, okay? That's why key measures out here, for example, audience retention rates, engagement, and so forth are very important. So in case you go out there to buy views, you're talking about bots. These are kind of things which are gonna be making hits on your YouTube channel and then bouncing off in a few seconds. In reality, all these are just gonna count negative towards your channel, because it's gonna mean you're gonna have a retention rate even under 5 seconds. And matter of fact, even all these subs you've bought, who in essence are just bots out there, are not gonna be watching your videos, which also is gonna be another depressing statistic. So shy away, stay away from buying any audience on YouTube. Work your way up, be consistent, offer quality, offer value, and hopefully you're gonna be able to get legitimate subscribers. You're gonna grow organically on YouTube. What do you think? What is your perspective about buying views, buying subscribers on YouTube? Share with me your thoughts down below in the comment section. Cheers. Look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all